Welcome to Intact Knowledge. In our QA/QC document series, today we are going to understand finishing activity in building construction, method statement for plastering.
We have already covered excavation, backfilling, concrete works, waterproofing, masonry works. Now let's move on to plastering work.
Why plastering is important. Plastering is critical because it provides smooth and even surface. It protects masonry and concrete. It improves durability of walls. Poor plastering causes cracks and debonding. That's why plastering must be properly planned and controlled. What is a method statement? A method statement is a written document that explains how a construction activity will be carried out, sequence of work, safety and quality controls, responsibilities of personnel. It ensures controlled and safe execution of work. What is plastering? Plastering is the process of applying cement mortar, gypsum plaster if specified, on walls and ceilings to achieve a smooth and durable finish. What is method statement for plastering? Method statement for plastering describes surface preparation, mortar mix and application method, thickness and finishing requirements, quality control measures, safety requirements. It ensures durable and defect-free finishes. Objective of plastering method statement. Main objectives are achieve smooth and uniform surface, protect masonry and concrete, prevent cracks and debonding, provide suitable base for paint finishes, meet project specifications. Scope of work. This method statement applies to internal wall plastering, external wall plastering, ceiling plastering, wet area plastering at all project locations. Reference documents. Plastering work shall comply with approved architectural drawings, project specifications, project quality plan, PQP, ITP for plastering works, manufacturer recommendations, if any, relevant codes and standards. Responsibilities. Responsibilities include project manager, overall coordination, site engineer, execution and supervision, QA/QC engineer, inspection and compliance, safety officer, safety monitoring, plastering supervisor foreman, work control. Materials. Materials include cement, sand, water, approved additives if required. All materials must be approved, tested, free from contamination. Plan and equipment. Typical equipment used: mortar mixer, trowels and floats, straight edges and levels, scaffolding. All equipment shall be inspected, clean, safe to use. Storage of plastering materials. Plastering materials shall be cement stored in dry covered area, sand stored on clean surface, materials protected from moisture. Proper storage maintains material quality. Surface preparation. Before plastering, ensure masonry surface is clean, loose particles removed, joints raked properly, surface adequately wetted. Proper preparation ensures bonding. Mortar mixing. Mortar mixing shall be as per approved mix design, using clean materials and water, mixed uniformly. Incorrect mixing affects strength. Application of plaster. Plaster application shall be done in specified thickness, applied evenly, using proper tools, finished smoothly. Corners and edges properly formed. Curing of plaster. Curing shall be started after initial setting, done with water, continued for specified duration. Proper curing prevents cracks. Inspection. During plastering. During plastering, ensure correct thickness maintained, proper finishing achieved, no hollowness or cracks, continuous supervision. Safety measures. Safety controls include use of PPE, proper scaffolding and access, safe material handling, good housekeeping. Quality control measures. Quality checks include material approval, surface preparation inspection, thickness and level checks, finish quality inspection, QA/QC approval. Inspection and approval. Inspection includes internal QA/QC inspection, consultant client inspection, approval before painting or finishing. No further work without approval. Records maintained. Records include plastering inspection request, material test reports, checklists, approval records. Common plastering defects. Common defects include cracks, debonding, uneven surface, hollowness. Proper control prevents defects. ISO and QA/QC compliance. Plastering method statement supports ISO 9001 quality, ISO 40001 safety, project QA/QC requirements. Relation with other documents. This method statement is linked with method statement for block masonry works, method statement for painting works, ITP for plastering works, NCR control procedure, CAPA procedure. Conclusion. Method statement for plastering ensures smooth and durable finishes, quality compliance, reduced defects, safe and controlled execution. If this video helped you understand method statement for plastering clearly, please like, share, and subscribe to Intact Knowledge. Keep in touch for more professional tutorials on QA/QC documents and construction method statements. Thank you.